In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals, OKRs, and KPIs in Asana, 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana. On the login page, enter your email address and click Continue. Next, type in your password and select Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage, which is the hub for all your work. To create a goal, look for Goals in the navigation and open it. This is where you'll track strategic objectives, OKRs, and KPIs in one place. Click Create Goal to start a new one. A panel will open, and the first thing you'll do is give your goal a clear, concise title. Think outcome focused and measurable. For OKRs, your title should reflect the objective, while the description and metrics you add later can represent the key results. For KPIs, use a title that clearly names the metric and the target you're aiming for. Next, assign an owner. This is the person responsible for driving progress and keeping the goal up to date. Even if multiple people contribute, one owner ensures accountability and timely check-ins. Choose a time period that matches your planning cadence. Quarterly windows work well for OKRs, while annual or semi-annual periods may be better for long-term KPIs. Picking the right time frame helps set expectations for progress and reporting. Now set the privacy. You can make the goal public to your organization for transparency and alignment, or keep it private if it's sensitive or still being shaped. Public goals are great for cross-functional visibility, while private goals are useful for early drafts or confidential initiatives. Add relevant team members by typing their names or email addresses. These collaborators will stay informed and can help you deliver the result. Then decide their permissions. If someone needs to update status, adjust details, or manage check-ins, grant edit access. If they only need to follow along, choose comment access. This keeps your goal structured while still welcoming input and discussion. When everything looks good, click Save Goal. Your goal is now created and ready to track. From here, you can update progress over time, align projects and tasks to support it, and use status updates to share wins and unblock issues. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to goals, created a goal with a clear title, assigned an owner, selected the right time period, set privacy, added collaborators with the right permissions, and saved it. Follow this same flow for OKRs and KPIs, and you'll keep your strategy visible, measurable, and actionable in Asana.